What's up, y'all? Strong Master Lee, and today I am at the airport here in Manila, the international airport, and on my way for a domestic flight to Davao, which is south of here in Mindanao. And it's been a long time since I've been at this particular airport, so I thought I'd, check it out. Manila's going through some pretty massive upgrades with infrastructure, and the airport is definitely one of them. So what you see now probably won't be here in another year or two. I think it's definitely going to get upgraded. Well, they have a Jollibee out here, which, by the way, I think you should definitely partake of, because the inside food, not so good. Enter the airport. Today's a beautiful day out here, as you can see. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Sunny weather, it's not too hot, and it's not too packed either. Best place to get something to eat real quick, downstairs, Randy's Donuts. You have to leave the inside to get it, but good eats here. If I remember, this airport is actually pretty cramped. Not a lot of space. Let's see if that's still the case. I was actually out here for a bit, because even though I checked in, I knew the food wasn't so great inside, so I came out here and got some lunch at Randy's Donuts. So FYI, unlike a lot of other airports, family guests cannot come see you and say goodbye in this building. You're stopped out front by security, so just make sure you know that. Don't bring a whole entourage of family and discover that they can't come in. So it's a holiday season here, so that's why you're seeing holiday stuff out. It's holiday season for about 4 months out of the year, so you're gonna see holiday stuff out pretty often. Let's see. My understanding, at least with Philippine Airlines, which is what I'm taking, right there, you can go to almost any booth, I think. And they have about 80 of them, so you just, find the one you need, anyone all the way down, and you should be able to check in that way. I had luggage that already checked in, so right now I'm just gonna go pass on through to the other side. It's not packed at all. It's a Monday afternoon, so maybe that's why. But I figure more people will be on travel for the holidays. All right, made it through to the other side, and I'm going to show you what the airport looks like. So I'm over at gate 18, goes all the way to gate 1. It just wraps around. It's just one long corridor. I mean, look how many people are in here. You just kind of sit and wait. This is one of those airports that just feels like it needs an upgrade. It's very cramped in here. Actually, the biggest upgrade needs is AC. It is stifling in here. Jeez. All right, they have some food here. Looks like a Filipino food, Vito's BBQ, 14 foods. There is no place to sit down and eat. People are just milling about while eating. I guess you just take the food to your seat. They need to install some super powered AC units in here. And today's not hot. You were just outside. You saw what the weather was like out there. I thought it was, you know, a nice day, but in here, definitely hot. Definitely hot. Another boarding gate check-in area for security. Goes fast. Goes real fast. So no, they don't have any restaurants here. Maybe a couple of tables like this, but so far not many chains that I recognize. This is Singapore, which I'm assuming Singapore food. And a food kiosk. By the way, I think all of these gates here. Actually, no, I see a mix. I thought it was all Philippine Airlines, but I do see Air Asia, some other airlines here. Krispy Kreme. It's a brand we know. They do have hot dogs here if that's what you're looking for. Mr. Donut. Belgian waffles. You know, I do believe since I last been here, the variety of food has definitely gone up a notch. Good mix of food. Looks like I'm passing through to another terminal. I hear a lot of birds in here. I think a lot of birds have got trapped in here. Some beautiful stewards.
Due to the late arrival of your assigned aircraft, your boarding time will be delayed. Once again, attention passengers on Ninoy Airlines. On flight year 2B2965 bound for Lusaka, due to the late arrival of your assigned aircraft.
I'm hearing of the plane that's delayed. Let me go check the board here to see how many flights are delayed.
Please remain seated in the holding area of gate number 7 and wait for further announcements regarding the status of your flight.
Got some more food here. And hot dogs. I will say this about hot dogs here. It doesn't quite taste the same as American hot dogs. So I may look at the same chili dog, classic bacon and cheese, but I can almost assure you that it's not quite what you expect. It's been Filipinized. let's see. My flight so far is not delayed, but it looks like almost 50% of the flights are delayed. Not a good sign. There's a lot fewer people down on this side. No place to eat. You just gotta stand at your little stall here at Vin Vin Cafe. I think we're coming to the end of this terminal, so that's it. Pretty small. I don't know what they're planning to do to expand this place, actually. I just know I've been reading up on a lot of infrastructure improvements at the airport. So if you're local, you know what kind of changes are coming and where they're, planning to expand. Fill me in. I'd love to know about it. Down this way. There's a sign up there for Rockwell, which we visited. And the city does glow at night like that. It's all lit up. Definitely worth visiting if you are here in Manila. And that's it. We got Henling and Katungyang and Casa Daza food stalls, but that's it. Actually, I'm curious to see what these foods are. I might get a drink. I'm gonna be here at least for another half an hour. This is like Chinese buns, very popular out here. This looks like, I have no idea. This looks like snacks, Filipino snacks, and more buns. It's a stall for bathrooms. All right, so now we're heading back to you.